Special with me, Ria. The 8th day or Ashtami of Navratri celebrations is considered to be very auspicious because this is the day when Goddess Durga killed the demons. On this day, people celebrate the homecoming of goddesses. On this auspicious day, people thronged to offer prayers to Goddess Durga and had a fun-filled weekend with their family and friends. Not just that, a group of residents in Hebbal took special efforts and staged a performance that portrayed the story of Ramayana. These performers beautifully portrayed the story with their splendid acting. Take a look at this News9 special to witness the 8th day of the Navratri celebrations. We all know about the famous saying, the more you know about the past, the better you are prepared for the future. For the residents of an apartment located in Hebbal, this aptly applies. The residents took special efforts to portray the story of Ramayana and staged an amazing performance as part of Navratri celebrations. It was an engaging night for the people of this community who witnessed a beautiful performance depicting the story of Ramayana. You wouldn't believe that all these residents are performing for the first time in their life. They seemed like professional artists and beautifully brought to life the story of Ramayana. The Ramayana was told from the beginning till the end. Dashrath is the king of Ayodhya. The king had 3 wives. In time, the queens gave birth to sons. The eldest was Rama, the youngest was Bharat, and to the second queen were born the twins Lakshman and Shatrugna. Ram is the eldest and all the brothers looked up to Rama as the ideal brother. Here comes Sita and her sister Urmila. The sisters were waiting for the respective grooms, and that was when Sita's father organized for a Swayamvar. Sita's father had declared that he would give her in marriage to anyone who could string the great bow of Shiva. No one could. Several kings, princes and commoners had tried and failed. Rama and Lakshman entered the assembly hall where the bow was displayed in all its glory. Rama walked over, picked up the bow, strung it and plucked the bowstring with such a twang that 2 things happened simultaneously. When the confusion had settled, Rama was married to Sita. His 3 brothers were married to Sita's sister and her cousins. There were many festivities and much rejoicing in the 2 kingdoms. Sometime later, Dashrath decided he had grown too old to rule and declared that he would make Ram the next king of Ayodhya. But his wife Kaikeyi had evil motives, and Mantra, a maid of Kaikeyi, brainwashed her that the throne of Ayodhya belonged to Kaikeyi's son Bharat. This is when Kaikeyi invoked an old promise that Dashrath had made to her. She demanded that Rama be exiled for 14 years and that her own son Bharat be crowned king. King Dashrath was broken. Dashrath refused, but Rama decided to honor his father's old promise and left to the forest. He was accompanied by Sita and Lakshman, both of whom could not be dissuaded from following him. In grief at the injustice of it all and at Rama's departure, Dashrath died.
दशरथ के स्वर्गवासी होने की खबर ने राम को तोड़ दिया।
Bharat was not in Ayodhya when these events happened. When Bharat learned what had happened, he was furious. He shouted at his mother, refused to ascend the throne, and gathered the townsfolk around him to proceed to the forest and bring Rama back. Rama refused to return, stating his intention to serve his father's last wish by being in exile for entire 14 years. Bharat returned with Rama's sandal, placed them on the throne and proceeded to rule the country in Rama's name. The residents were so good with their performance that audience watched the whole play with excitement. Then came the scene for which everyone eagerly waited for. The evil Ravana made an entry. The scene that saw Ravan kidnapping Sita gave us all goosebumps.
नहीं ऋषिवर, मेरे पति और देवर आने ही वाले हैं।
क्या साधु को भिक्षा मिलेगी पुत्री?
अवश्य ऋषिवर।
On the whole, the story of Ramayana was beautifully portrayed by the residents.
इधर आइए ऋषिवर, दान ग्रहण कीजिए।
मैं त्यागी हूँ पुत्री। इसी भवन की छाया भी मेरे लिए वंचित है। तुम यहाँ आकर भिक्षा
क्षमा करें महामुनि, मैं ये नहीं कर सकती। मैं ये रेखा नहीं डाल सकती।
यह कौन है? कौन अपमान? मैं तुम्हारे दान का भूखा नहीं। यदि देना है तो इधर आ, नहीं तो मैं जाता हूँ। परिस्थिति रहे द्वार पर आए साधु का निरादर ईश्वर भी क्षमा नहीं करता। अलोक निरंजन।
It was truly a beautiful evening for everybody who witnessed this performance.
ईश्वर तुम्हें संसार की स्वामी तुम तो सच में रूपवती हो गई।
मेरा हाथ छोड़ वंचक, नहीं तो मारा जाएगा।
It is now time we tell you the experience of these stunning performers.
कौन है तुम? मेरा नाम कैसे पता?
रावण, लंकाधिपति रावण, दशानन रावण।
Let us begin with Ravana, who was the highlight of the evening. The role of Ravana was played by an ISRO scientist, Suresh Nayak, and his performance was outstanding.
I work with ISRO as a scientist, and after office hours, in the evening we used to practice for 1 to 1.5 hours to remember the past. Ramayana is basically not the epic, it is our life. Different roles like Rama, Sita, Lakshmana, Ravana are all inside us. It's only that at different times of life we show those characters out.
The role of Rama too was very beautiful. This resident accurately portrayed Lord Rama, who is believed to be calm and composed.
Yeah, I would say that this is my first time that I ever, gone to play any role in my life. And see, every year, I think whenever such events are organized, it is more of building a community. Make the community come together.
मैं चाहता हूँ लेकिन आपको सुरक्षित करें।
Ram's brother Lakshman, of course, did complete justice to the role and mesmerized the audience with his performance.
Basically, I work for IT company and I have shifts like morning shift and afternoon shift. So we are doing this from last 3 weeks and we are dedicating almost 2 hours per evening. And from last week, like 3-4 days, we are not even having our dinner because the rehearsal goes till 11:30 and people get tired and you don't feel like cooking dinner. So it's team effort, good experience. So the first thing is the new generation should be aware of our past and they should learn how things were and they can adapt in today's busy situations and also to keep our culture going because these Ram Leelas are something which are not actively being pursued. So that's a way in which we want to bring it up.
Sita's role too was portrayed by this resident in the best way possible. Her beauty and her character was beautifully brought to life and she won everyone's hearts.
It's been more than 3 weeks that we have been practicing every day. So, like getting the audio right, getting the video right, synchronizing with the dialogues which are running behind. So I think it's a great effort put in by everyone, from their, apart from their office work, coordinating everything. So it's a good thing.
On the whole, these performers gave us all goosebumps and it was surprising to see such amazing talent within them. The residents started their practice session 3 weeks before. All of them are working professional and taking time out of their busy schedule to put up such a great show is extremely commendable. The audience also had fun watching this performance, listening to what some of the residents had to say.
I never expected that this is something out of the world for the non-professional people to enact like this, and I must say that it's a very well conceptualized program, and we're really enjoying it.
It's going on fully fledged and it's beautifully arranged by our PMW Misty Waters people, and they organize so well. And most of the participants are from our residents and they are doing marvelous job. Behind the screen, really they have worked hard and their impact and all the full program, it's superbly they have done. Thank you so much.
After this splendid performance, we now take you through the Durga Puja celebrations at Manpo Convention Center in Hebbal. A huge